In this video, I want to show you how you can see the options chart inside of TradingView. Now this is really easy, guys. You want to go to products and select supercharts. Inside of here, come to this symbol button. And what you want to do is just search for anything that can be options. So once you've done that, you want to click on options out here and then you're ready to go. So I'll just search for Nifty and choose options, and then I'll select this one. In here you can choose the date, put and call that you want to check for, and then you can see that time. Now if there's a really specific one you want to look for, what you can do is you can do this. So you want to type in the symbol for it, type in the year, month, date, a put or call, and then the strike price. So this is an example right here. The symbol 25 for 2025, 05 for the month, 29 for the date, call, and the strike price at this. So if you copy this, you come up here, you put it in here and press enter. It will now take you to that exact time. So that is how you can do that, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.